110%. That's the level of motivation we have, knowing we empower billions of people to be their own kind of beautiful. When they feel good, we feel good. Wouldn't you call it the power of beauty? We sure do. The CCs, Javiers, Pierres, and Aishas, we're a bunch of personalities with diverse quirks, mindsets, and backgrounds who just want to make a dent in the universe. As a team, we have an impact. We invent. We push boundaries. We fail. We start over. Always learning from experience. Always creating, turning insights into opportunities. It's the freedom to test our wildest ideas that sets us apart. We just trust each other to try, and when we do, amazing things happen. In everything we do, we start with what matters most: people, the infinite diversity of their needs and aspirations. We leverage what we know best, science. It's in our DNA. We personalize beauty within our brands to make it meaningful for you, your friends, your family. We use cutting-edge technology to create new beauty experiences. And all of that's cool, but it's not enough. We want to do more. Sustainability is not a trend we're jumping on. It comes down to putting local communities and planet first to make sure our products have a positive impact. You see, that's a lot to juggle, but working hard and playing harder is our spirit. Always. The future of beauty is now. Make it happen with us.